Well, I'm here because you're my personal friend. You're my personal friend. So that people will not misinterpret what I came to do. The people of Okrika, the people of the Ijaw Nation have supported us very, very well. We don't take their support for granted. We are very grateful people. When you do something for us, we appreciate it and we say thank you. And to let you know that we'll soon start politics. We'll soon start politics. I didn't say you should be involved. Don't be involved. Allow us to play our politics. Stay as a traditional ruler. I don't want anybody to say tomorrow, oh, you are putting your hand. Don't put hand. But that does not mean that you don't have anybody to support your buying. But allow us to play our game. If there's any problem, you call us to settle. But I want to tell you that not be business as usual again. All of us have taken decision on what to do.
So many people say, oh, it's not good with the job people. I am good with the job people. I'm good with the Okrika people. But if there's one person that does not want development, I will not be good with that person. So if I have a personal problem with you, come and face me. Don't say it is Okrika people. Don't say it is Ijaw people. Face me. We have made a mistake in this state. We won't kill ourselves, but we'll correct the mistake this time around. We will correct the mistake this time. I have said here, all those people who are shouting on your mandate, it is good to shout on your mandate. We started it in 2023, and we'll continue to shout it. You that have come now to join, it will not give you automatic ticket. It will not give you automatic what? Ticket. If you like, carry our money. Go and hire people from the north, from the south, from the west, from the east. Far. So, we have taken decision, no going back as far as Tinubu is concerned. The other one, well, no way. Because if we make another mistake, then go and bury yourself politically.
You always challenge the men. Our minister. You are welcome, sir. So the chairman of the Council of this house of this joint and the chairman of the Council of Chiefs. You are welcome, sir. Sorry, sir. Your Majesty, one of your brought behind the church of our time. His father was also our daughter. He has a very great daughter, a daughter of the king, Honorable Linda. I hope all your friends are not here. Look, I don't make mistake. Thank you. Okay.
Your Excellency, My dear brother.
Let's distinguished Senator George Thompson, Sakibo, the Gualabo. The chiefs, please. Let's go to the banquet hall. Please, go to the